Well, good morning, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I want to thank you all for watching, commenting, subscribing, and being part of Joe Boo's Day Job. Today, hopefully we're going to have a short day. We're going to go ahead and get the rest of the sheathing put on the walls here, up on the roof, and get tar paper on it, so that way we will be in better shape. I found Michael Anthony up here. He's actually scraping and going to paint the front porch roof and get that looking really nice. And for 4 days, we've gotten a lot of work done. So let's get to work here and get this place together. Scraping and cleaning. See how bad it's going to be and see how it's going to look when it's all done. It's looking a whole lot better than it did. Yeah, we're going to have to, unfortunately, people love the ivy, but the ivy is not good. We're going to have to pull that off the house. But having the back porch put back on there, that looks 100 times better. Yeah, it's definitely looking a lot better than it was just a couple days ago. So I got to cut some wood and get this thing going, and hope you follow along.
This thing right, this paint job will probably stay like this for 10 years. I ain't shitting. This paint right here ain't cheap. It's good paint. And while I got you up here this close, I want to ask you something.
These gutters are probably going to be changed.
Okay.
So we'll have to. Okay, so we're putting our sheathing on. I put these little stop blocks, which has a piece of the OSB on there to give us just a slight overhang of 7/16 of an inch, and it keeps the plywood from sliding down. I do have a bit of a problem though over here, because I need to take the chimney down so that way I can get my overhang done and the satellite dish and stuff on there. So for now, we're going to go ahead and sheathe everything around it and see if we can do it with a hammer and chisel. If not, I'll have to come back with my hammer drill and do it. But we're going to go through and get this sucker sheathed. Woo! What's up, good people? Mark Holmes here, and as always, I want to thank you for watching, commenting, subscribing, and being part of the Joe Boo Sports Report. Without you guys, as well as you ladies, you know that this literally does not work. Whew. Look at this. Monday, this shit was caving in. Thursday, we got a roof on the sucker. Ha ha! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness! I feel good, do like you knew that I would now, do. Well, until I saw the roof up here. Ooh, damn. That looks bad. Wow, that roof don't look too good. We're gonna have to do something about that. We're gonna have to get a new metal roof put up on here. Damn. Anyway, you know, just because I'm up on the roof on the sucker doesn't mean that the work ends for Joe Boo Sports Report. interesting, and I am so sick and tired of all these damn lists that they keep coming out with, okay? Well, those two. I'm sick and tired of listening to all these damn lists that say this guy is this guy and this guy is that. Man, get out of here with that shit. So now they got the top 25 under 25. They got Micah Parsons. They got CeeDee Lamb, which you could say, okay, yeah, both of those guys belong on there. But here's the problem. Who they left off? They left off Trayvon Diggs. Now, I don't know how you leave off a guy who broke a record that has stood the whole century. That's bullshit. It's bullshit. You don't leave off Diggs. Now, you know what? I could dare say I could see CeeDee Lamb not on the list. Well, he did. Okay, yeah, right. I can see CeeDee Lamb not on the list, right? And Diggs on it. This is where you know it's all bullshit. It's all there to cause a reaction because what's happening? Mark Holmes is having a reaction to it. Right. Yeah, here we go. Right. So there was another list today, the top 40 coaches under 40. So after saying Kellen Moore is the number 2 play caller in the NFL, they don't put him on the list at all of the top 40. This is where you know it's bullshit. Straight up. It's just bullshit. It is bullshit. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. But anyway, I got a problem here. I got a problem that I can't fix because I can do it in the mix. My problem is I got to get this chimney out of here. It's covered with ivy, and I don't have a chipper here, but machete. Let's get a machete. We can chop this shit with a machete. I think they have those at Home Depot. We'll get a machete and clean that shit off of there. Yeah, but I'm tired of those things. But I just wanted you guys to see what I'm doing and let you know I ain't forgot about you. Here's my problem here. Look at this roof up here. That's a tear the roof off the sucker, And guess what? I'm not the one to do that. I'm a little bitch when it comes to heights, and that one's kind of steep. So I'm gonna have to pay somebody else to do this one up here. So, yeah. Anyway, hope y'all are having a great day. And I gotta get some measurements here so I can cut my wood and finish this sucker. Mike, 18.5 by 86. Here. Right, 18.5 by 86. And I need 140 inches. I'm tired, boss. I'm real tired. But I'm happy that I got this shit up here. What I'm gonna have to do too, this is gonna be a metal roof that's going up here. is I'm about to take this siding off and put sheathing up on it, and then put new siding on it. I found wood siding that's very similar to this. That'll look really, really good. Hope y'all are having a great day. It's hot up here. When I put this tar paper on, it's gonna be hot as a mother humper. All right, peace. Wow, totally different point of view here from where it was. Whew. We'll got to get 2 more pieces of OSB, and we'll come back, finish putting the last pieces up there. Got to see if I can get up here to the chimney, see how hard that's going to be to knock that down. I may end up having to wait till I come back to take that off. I may need a hammer drill, demolition hammer. And I don't have any power out here, so I'll have to either get a cordless one or bring a generator. But, whew, it's definitely a lot cooler in here than it was yesterday with that sun beaming on you. It's hot on that roof, I'll tell you that much. But I definitely feel good about where we are. All right, we're gonna go to the dump and come back and get this shit done. Okay, so the chimney's in the way right now. I'm gonna try and see if I can push it on over, because it feels like it's got a little play in it. This might be one of those dumb ideas. I'm just pushing it this way. But just stay clear and watch, make sure there's no traffic. That was good. I think the shit on there helped hold it together. This is how you do it. All right. That came down pretty good. Whew. Now we got some more bricks we can work with. We got a hell of a lot of vines here. And now I can finish my roof up here. We get the roof on the sucker. Get the roof on the sucker. Yes! Coming down the home stretch now. I gotta get another roll of tar paper. Getting this tar papered in so at least we won't get any weather in that. We can get the house wrap on the outside. We can put the door and the window in. And then we can head down the road. Yes. Whew, it's coming together bit by bit. Alrighty, so our chimney is gone. We have tar paper on here. It can rain now, and we have to worry about it getting wet inside for the first time in forever. I need to put on the house wrap if we're going to put the door and stuff in. It's getting kind of late, and I'm kind of tired, and I hear tools flying around out there. So, may be ready to call a day. 4 days. 4 days. Monday, I was ripping this off. Tuesday, framed up the deck. Yesterday, framed up the walls and the rafters. Today, put the plywood up and the tar paper. Wow. When I come back next week, what we're gonna have to do is take the siding off of here, and we'll put the OSB on the walls and house wrap this to get ready to put siding on it. So that way this will all be rebuilt. But it's nice to be able to sit here and know that I'm not going to fall through. I appreciate you guys watching. Tomorrow I've got to go finish putting in some bookcases and a lot of work to do on the Inventables. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave any comments below. If I've done some things that aren't quite right or you've seen it done differently, leave a comment, and I could probably learn a few more things, because I've basically gone to the school of hard knocks. I'm Mark Holmes, and I hope you're having a great day. See you soon. Well, we're going to call it a day. In fact, we're going to call it a week. I've got 150 miles of driving to do to get back home, but you see, you don't see any light coming through the ceiling anymore. What we have is, well, the light that's coming through is actually coming through from the other part of the room there. But, whew, not bad for 4 days. We come back, we'll put the door of the window in, and we'll take the siding off up top, up there, to get the OSB on that. And we got the roofer who is out there painting the roof. So we're coming along pretty good. Wow, I can't believe we knocked the chimney down. Appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you later. Peace.